This video shows you how to create a new user in Office 365, which you can create by selecting it from the Admin Center on the dashboard or by selecting the Admin Center on the app launcher. Once the Admin Center appears, select Add User under Active Users. We'll need to complete the details which are shown on screen, and they're quite straightforward. I'm going to add Bart Simpson as a user, and notice how I actually shorten Bart's name, which you'll find quite common in most organizations. You can also add additional contact information if required. And for the password, I'm actually just going to enter my own, but you can also have it auto-generated and then have the user be prompted to change it once they log in. Under roles, you can specify the type of role the user will have, which determines their permissions. I could set the user as a global admin, for example, but for Bart, I'm going to just keep him with the standard permission levels. Next, you need to add a license for the user so that Bart can actually use the Office 365 apps. You can even limit which apps he can have access to. But for this, I'm going to actually provide Bart with all actual apps. That's it. Click Add to create the new user. Next, I'm going to sign on Bart, and I'll actually pause the video and speed up to the sign in section. Once signed in, notice that Bart does not have the admin icon which was present for the other user, which was the admin and who had global administrator role. And that's it. That's how you create a user. If you like this video, please rate it and add any comments and subscribe for more tips in the future. Thank you for watching.